is his best performance yet. He delivered every song.
You listen them right. All of the chilling that people in India. Tell the promoter say, one job. I'm in a prison here, millionaire.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vybz and Inside with Nandi. You know it's a boss Nandi and building. So I have some highlights and some clippings of Vybz Kartel concert last night into the Atlantic City. And I have a clipping also where it shows where Vybz Kartel concert was cut shortly, or I would say was cut off in a disruptive way, because you know the time frame where them get to perform on the stage show, they went over the time and the whole Atlantic Arena team cut off the mic and say, yo, that's it, you know, that's it for the night. So you know, the show ended in a disruptive way, and to me, it just seemed like dancehall artists, them no time management, them have no form of time management, because Vybz Kartel on the show, he stated that he has 8 minutes more to perform, and then he went over the 8 minutes, and, you know, everybody was so shocked, and everybody was disappointed that the show ended shortly, or ended prematurely, because, you know, them get a time frame for perform, and then them not wall up for them bargain on the time frame. So watch this clipping, people.
We'll drop the new song, right? Alright, jump in the chorus. The standards are the standard. Oh, no, that one, yeah? You're crazy. Oh my days, oh my nights, oh my evening. Big shit.
Awesome. Who you swore?
What a clean pussy girl, the boss said.
When we say move.
Whoa.
Tell the pussy good me approve.
Plus it's shaven in a full of gold.
Like turntable, get in the groove. When we say move.
Whoa.
Tell the pussy good me approve.
Plus it's shaven in a full of gold.
Like turntable, get in the groove. When we say
alright.
like pussy jack, get it, you me want.
Girl so clean, you want give it to me.
Look, it's giving stress. I don't know why.
Yeah? Ooh, I'm vexed just that.
Babies. And them a cuss for them get Kartel too much money. You listen them right. All of the chilling that people in India. Tell the promoter say, one job. I'm in a prison here, millionaire. What do I see about that? Oh, to that. Work will come for work.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
Everywhere party, people have it too. See,
yeah, man, chilly, nice.
can't get rid of that, no, I'm trying to go. Something like right now. You're outside.
Thank you for the gifts, guys.
What do you guys say? I don't know, biggie guy. Look, why if you make it cheap, you don't miss up so much now. Take your time in a no rush.
Oh, nice dark cold. Gaza forever.
She said me feel sweet like a donut.
Yes, definitely worth it.
So what? Oh, you're outside. You jump on. You kick guard. You really got it. Look, tell me something. Look how when me say this. For 2 men and me teddy bear and when me see mother girl. Me love black girl and me love white girl and girl with them. Me never love some girl and when she a just career. To the for you but I see me tomorrow. I be a loving and a sweet vanilla. With a big belly ya. Oh. That's baby. Your pussy make him have a combo. And now you alone. See the body cocky like I say you feel your tone. Can your pussy pretty send a picture to the phone. Bubble panic message and then look into the moon. If your man cocky there. If your pussy me a travel with a comb and cocky there. It must have been tougher than a pack of cigarette. See the cocky a breath. That man and a chain turn up. Sing no baby. Me nah left. But the middle of the give the king in the bed. She can't say you can't come up on your head. Thank you. I see you loving the vibe. Let's turn it up a notch.
Thank you. Wall Street, thank you.
New Jersey Batman, nothing on that mountain. Every time you get that it's nice, don't it? Chai smoke with some of the papa street vibes to the chai smoking. She got the cocky yard, I sold it and it's sweeter. She said, she love her man. How you know every word to the song so? They love to pussy and tear in the air. Nothing else can survive. The wife is she you was like how. The love the way you look like how. She want you well in the church. She want you to be the girlfriend. Freaky, girl, me love it. Freaky, girl, me love it. Pussy is a from AM to PM. And the girl that's up back in the bar, we know it. Look, no man can't tell me no for free. Don't say that me love get. Oh, when me see freaking. And the scenes of bumbo clap.
Guys, I'm excited.
Girl, come play with the fever. Let me beat up the pussy fever. Thinking you're the fat chick who was to be fever. You get a what? You get a money green. Me want you well with the head. Me want you to be the girlfriend. To watch me about. Pussy me say from AM to PM. Check out a broadcast for BBM. Look. Hey girl, come use your freaky technique, man. And can you come tickle my fancy? Check my panty Gaza. Oh, we are not here of a big party. The church people say them never sold it. True is a pussy that said they never moved it. The love was a coming in. See why you were in ocean. That's. Voilà. Uno does an alphabet. It don't go A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You know it go? XOXO, my love is very special if you want me. But don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say I felt it. We can do it. Jersey girl. Take it. Why you gonna be in there? Outside, one more man. Extra, I can't play that. Technique sweet, what you say? What you say, Yanni? Why you put on it? Why take the baby, everything crisp? My good old little turn and kiss and sing. Why you put on it? Why take the baby? Listen, when you look over you, shall decide, what baby is back, my cocky so until the fire fever. If you can't do it off faster than it, girl, offer, pussy, go, grab it, let go, quick, lower. Go back! Gypsy boom boom, Billy B, wanna back, pull the pussy, Billy B. Yalla back, Billy B. What is it, Billy B? Let me talk this, yeah. Action. Extra. Pocket cleaner. When it's sweet, yeah. What you say? What you say, Yanni?
Viva!
Why you put on it?
Wine for the baby, everything great.
My good look. Go Pose by your head. You're not dead. Wide out. Like a sheet spread.
Thank you for the gifts, guys. Thank you, thank you.
Girl, girl, instead. Chitiki, Wiki, Soshi, Digi, Rama, Parish, River, Badi, Sena, Hosni, Koma, Adi, Bunny, Dal, she said. Kill the people. Wanna come on the man. Kill the manifest for the club.
Yeah, Panani. Wine for my baby. Everything, Chris.
Don't you see pussy make me put that Thank you, baby. You call the teacher. Why not call the man? A joke. They say. 8 minutes.
8 minutes.
What
the hell?
Let's try that thing.
8 minutes.
Let's try that thing. Hear me, I say no. You can back me up. Hear me, I say no. Hear me, I say no. You can't back me up. We don't fear no. Now we won't. Now we can't come. Coffee you want me, coffee you can't come. Coffee you. Coffee you. Coffee you movies. Just for my hand. Look at me now. Let's have a man now. Look at me now. Let's have a man now. Look at me now. Let's have a man now. Let me say look at me now. Let's have a man now. Look at me now. Let's have a man now. Look at me now. Let's have a man now. Oh, you went up yourself like sexy. My coffee. I don't want you to start look sexy. When you come into New Jersey, you see a sign mark. Play zero. And I might take my drum and sing like I do. Look at me now. Let's have a man now. Look at me now. Let's have a man now. Look at me now. Let's have a man now. I know where you come from. I was not going to help you. You know what? Come here. You can't jump. You know what this is? Things are your legs are coming up, brother. Who knows if you try to see that, brother? Guys, I don't see nothing. Don't let me go and get the feel of money. When you see me, you can't see your cat, brother. Look.
Thank you for the gifts, guys. Thank you. Thank you for the shares. Thank you for tapping in.
Holy Ghost to the stop. We not pretend. Oh, you pretend. We must be up there whenever we lie. We feel like cause I'm not no fool. We don't need no permission. We don't need no. One people sleep out. One people sleep out. Come. Remember to tell me 8 minutes and you know one. Bumbo clock, go. Right now.
New Jersey. Remember years ago in New York?
Yeah.
And the general, my father have to teach me the hard way. So me have to big up the general to pick him the second time. General, me up.
Love alone, the DJ.
Yes, my general. Give thanks to the support and love. That is it.
Where y'all watching from? This is Atlantic City, New Jersey.
Spice forward and spice twerk. Play something to me.
Not nice.
Exactly, simply Maya. Just let it nice.
New Jersey, we got the last rifle shot moving on the mountain.
cut off the mic on Kartel.
So, Vybz Kartel just performed for an hour, 15 minutes, non-stop. You can hear my voice. It was a Gaza party. Hits after hits after hits after hits. This is his best performance yet. He delivered every song, both verses. Nuffy had to come out and be like, yo, time going, so he can't do both verses. But he was insistent on doing Black Rhino. He surprised everybody. The crowd was here to see Black Rhino. Spice, she delivered. But Vybz Kartel, the man of the moment, the man of the match, the man of dancehall, the dancehall king, just shut down Atlantic City, the first dancehall act solo to headline Boardwalk Hall. World Music Views, I'm out.
So people, that was the man behind the World Music account on Instagram, and he's saying that this was Vybz Kartel's best performance. If y'all were at the stage show, or if y'all were at the concert, let me know in the comment section if you guys think this was his best performance, because to me his best performance was when he came out of prison, the first performance. But you guys let me know in the comment section what you think about where World Music Reviewer said. He's clearly a Gaza man, you know him a rep team Gaza side. So you guys let me know in the comment section what you think. If you think Vybz Kartel's performance is up to par, or if it's a stellar performance like most of these artists out there where I put them art and soul in them performance, like the Buju, the Beanie Man, Alkaline, and many more artists out here really perform. Like for real, in some sense, what I realize is that Vybz Kartel is taking these FT prices for these shows, and they're not really putting together a real production team, a real performance to say, yo, you know, transition and all of them stuff there. It's just a dry walking up on the stage performance. Nothing, the no bands, not even say the bands, you can't blame the bands not being there, but you know, transition and stuff like that to make the people them say, yeah, this performance was amazing. But you know, people just come to see the appearance of Vybz Kartel, and that is it. It's not to come to see a stellar performance. It's not to come to see a real organized, a real put together show. It's not that. So people is just there to see his appearance because I've not seen him for so long. But you guys let me know what you think in the comment section. If you think this was Vybz Kartel's best performance as stated by World Music Review, you know it, go already, man. A Vybz and Insight with another one. A mad thing. I'm out. Peace.